Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are very much fine. Am I right? So, welcome you back again in our geography's lecture. Today, we are going to see lesson number 4, that is weather and climate. Yes, class? Do you remember the 3 lessons which we have done? The last lesson which we did was comparing the map and the globe. Okay, then we did how to use the graticule. Yes, so we all have seen all these things in last 3 chapters. Now our 4th lesson, it's something different, okay, from what we did in the rest 3 of the lessons. What is the name of a lesson? It is weather and climate. Before we start with the lesson, you all should know what is the difference between weather and climate. Yes, weather is something different concept and climate is something different concept that we are going to see in this lesson. Okay, try to give stress to your minds and just think what could be the difference between weather and climate. Okay, class? So let's see. There's one activity given for you all. What is that? We'll have a look. Can you tell the weather condition of a few places in India are as follows on 10th June? Use the table to answer the questions. Okay? What the weather conditions of a few places in India are as follows. On what? On 10th June. Use the table to answer the question. Now see, place, state, time, weather. All of you please don't just sit in front of the screen and just listen. Try to understand what the teacher is saying. Now see, the place is Kochi. Okay, then is Bhopal, then is Masurai. Okay, so you all should know all these places. Okay, Kochi comes in Kerala. Okay, so you all should know where are these places located and how is the weather or climate over there. Bhopal means Madhya Pradesh and Mussoorie is in Uttarakhand. And time is same, 12:30, 12:30, 12:30. Weather, in Kochi it is cloudy, in Bhopal it is hot and sunny, and in Mussoorie it is cold weather, mild sun. Okay. Now just answer the question which I am asking you all. In which place will the clothes on a clothes line dry quickly? Why? Now, clothes line means what? The rope. Okay, basically the rope which we use to dry the clothes. Now, in which place will the clothes on a clothes line dry quickly and why? Come on class, tell me. This is the weather, cloudy, hot and sunny, cold weather, mild sun. In which place will the clothes dry very fast? Dry quickly. Very good. The answer is Bhopal. Okay, the answer will be Bhopal. Why? What is the reason? Why? Because the weather is hot and sunny. Okay, if the weather is hot and sunny, your clothes will dry within few hours. Okay, why? Because it is hot and sunny, so the rate of evaporation is more, so the clothes get dry up quickly. In which place will there dry? They dry slowly, and why? Okay, in which place will they dry slowly, and why? They will dry slowly where there is cloudy weather. Why? Because there is no sun over there. It is the place Kochi in Kerala. Okay, the weather is cloudy. Clear? So that's why what will happen? There is no sun at all. So if there is no sun, if there is no heat, how will clothes dry up quickly? Getting? Will the atmospheric condition at these places always remain the same, or will they change? Can you tell me? Can you tell me the atmospheric condition, whatever it is, cloudy, hot and sunny, hot, rainy, will it remain same or will it change? Yes, it is going to be changed. It will not remain. Many times it happens this also, that just now it is cloudy weather and after 2 hours it can be the hot sunny weather. It happens. Are you all getting it? Yes. So this is what weather is. Clear? See, the weather condition at each of these places given above are different on 10 June. Kochi has cloudy weather. It means there is little sunlight. The rainy season has started and moisture in the air will be high. Hence, it will take a long time for the clothes to dry. You may have observed a similar situation at your place during the rainy season. Yes, it happens in our place also when it is rainy season. At Bhopal, there is hot sun. The water in the wet clothes gets converted into vapor quickly and the clothes will dry within a short time. Yes? Mussoorie is located to the north of the Tropic of Cancer, hence it receives less solar heat. The air there is cool due to its location on a mountain. Mussoorie, it is on the mountain. Okay, so how is the climate? How is the weather over there? It's cool. Air is very cool over there. Clothes take longer to dry here because of the medium heat and cool air. There is very medium heat and the cool air. Factors like, see all of you, it's very important. Factors like heat, moisture, and wind influence the time taken by the clothes to dry. Yes, if it is heat, it will dry quickly. If there is moisture in the air, it will take less time. If there is wind and heat, it will dry quickly. Okay. However, these conditions keep on changing. We always experience such changes. This is not going to remain same. Everything is going to change. We are going to experience such changes again and again. Yes, the weather does not remain same. Getting? Can you tell which of the following statements are applicable to the condition that you have experienced today or yesterday at the place where you live? Now you all are wherever you are living. Okay, what is the applicable condition? How is the applicable condition when what at the time when you're watching this video, at that time what is the condition? Okay, it was cold in the morning. Was it cold in the morning? In the afternoon, it became sluttery. It rained suddenly in the afternoon. Cool breeze was blowing at dawn. Clouds gathered in the evening. Night sky was full of stars and a pleasant breeze was blowing. Whatever condition is applicable, you will tell. Okay. Just now I am recording this video. At my place, do you know how is the climate? In morning, it was very hot and it was very sunny. Hot and sunny weather. But just now, it's 4 o'clock. Okay. And it is raining heavily outside. So this is the condition at my place. Understood, all of you? So whatever the condition is applicable at your place, here you are going to tell that. Is it okay with you all? Okay.